Replacing a normal childhood with these heavy cognitive loads is a common predictor for anxiety, depression, and profound feelings of shame. The structural demands of navigating a new country mean the home, which should be a sanctuary, can instead become a source of emotional distress for the youth living there. Given these unique stressors, how do so many Latina youth demonstrate extraordinary resilience and thrive? The answer often lies in familismo. This is a cultural value system that prioritizes family loyalty, unity, and shared responsibility over individual needs. This flow logic diagram shows how that value system alters psychological outcomes. When parentification is routed through the filter of familismo, the resulting damage drops significantly. The heavy burden is reframed from a source of isolation into an act of teamwork. This cultural lens acts as a protective shield. It allows youth to interpret high-stakes responsibilities as a source of self-esteem and family belonging rather than a simple emotional drain. This dynamic is especially critical for Mexican-origin adolescent mothers who face heightened vulnerability to enculturative stress during their postpartum stages.